Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm in a video about the Samsung Galaxy A71 5G for Boost Mobile. So this is a new phone for Boost Mobile. The Galaxy A71 is now available for $249.99. It's currently on sale. The full retail price of the Galaxy A71 5G is $429.99. So before I get further into the video, I'd like to give a shout out to one of my subscribers. Shout out to DJ Mars 1983. He let me know about the A71 on Boost. So here we are, the Galaxy A71 5G. This one's been out for over a year and a half now on different carriers, but now it's finally here on Boost Mobile. I don't know why it took them so long to get this phone, but the Galaxy A71 5G is now here. This is the A71 5G version. This is 5G, so do keep it in mind. So yeah. So the main selling point of this phone, that it does have 5G for cheap. So yeah. So there's a phone right there. Y'all guys should know what the specs are by now. Like I said, this is not a new phone in general. This one's been out for like a year and a half now. So finally, Boost Mobile got this phone. I don't know why it took them this long to get this phone, but they finally got it. So yeah, this is the A71. This is the front phone. You guys have your whole punch for your front-facing camera there. Pretty nice screen and wallpaper there, you know, colorful and whatnot. Right side has your power button and volume key, so pretty cool there. On the back of the Galaxy A71 is your camera sub. You guys have 4 cameras along with your camera flash. Samsung logo there on the back. It looks like it has like a two-tone color on the back. It's like a dark gray and like a slightly lighter gray color on the back. So yeah, pretty nice there. Right side of the phone, like I said, power button, volume keys and whatnot. So yeah, it's front and back. I don't know if it has this texture on the back or whatever. It looks pretty interesting. It has this on the back of it. Kinda interesting. Then there's the left side of the phone. The left side of the phone will have your micro SD card and SIM card slot. So yeah. So it says here, experience the features you've been waiting for with blazing fast. Experience the features you've been waiting for with blazing 5G speeds on the Samsung Galaxy A71 5G. Take professional grade photos and shoot and smooth, steady video with this quad lens camera. Lean back and enjoy the cinematic quality of a 6.7-inch edge-to-edge display, all with the long-lasting, fast-charging battery that keeps up with you. So yeah. So the specs on this phone has a 6.7-inch display, 64 megapixel main camera on the rear, 36 hours of talk time, 128 gigabytes of storage, and y'all guys will have Android 11 on board. When this phone came out last year, it had like Android, I think it had Android 10 on it last year. I think had Android 10. So this one, the Boost Mobile version comes with Android 11, which is very nice, and it has One UI. It does have One UI on there. I'm not sure the version of One UI it has. So yeah, it comes with Android 11, which is pretty nice. It should get Android 12 at some point. It should. So of course, how does it work is order today, wait for your phone to arrive, pick a point and activate online. So here we are, introducing the Galaxy A71 5G. Like I said, this is not a new phone. This one's been out for over a year and a half now, but it's new to Boost Mobile. So if you guys have always wanted a Galaxy A71 5G on Boost, it's finally here. So it says experience the features you've been waiting for with blazing fast 5G speeds on the Samsung Galaxy A71 5G. Take professional grade photos and smooth, steady videos with this quad lens camera. Lean back and enjoy the cinematic quality of a 6.7-inch edge-to-edge display, all with a long-lasting, fast-charging battery that keeps up with you. So yeah. Galaxy 5G for everyone. With 5G, your phone now delivers mind-boggling speeds, superior connections, and nearly undetectable lag times. So that's pretty nice. Pro-grade shots with a tap. Shoot professional-grade photos and videos with A71's 5G's quad lens camera, shoot epic landscapes, dramatic portraits, and super clear and steady videos. With the 64 megapixel main lens, you will capture all the beautiful details just as you see them. So they got the camera specs laid out here. So you do get 4 of them on the back. So on the top of the back, on the top camera is a depth camera, which is 5 megapixels. The main camera is in the middle at 64 megapixels. Then you guys have an ultra wide camera lens on the bottom of that at 12 megapixels. And then to the right of that, you guys have a macro camera lens at 5 megapixels, and you guys have a camera flash as well. So pretty nice there. Bigger, brighter, bolder. See your entertainment and exquisite clarity and dramatic contrast on this massive 6.7 inch Super AMOLED Plus Infinity display. Power to keep going. Scroll, tap, scroll, snap, and share more with the long-lasting battery, with the long-lasting fast-charging battery, which is 4,500 milliamps. Smooth, stable shots. You can take remarkable, crisp, ultra HD quality videos of fast-moving action while you're moving. Its stability function makes photos and videos look super smooth with minimal blur, so that's very nice. Galaxy A71 specs on this phone are still pretty good in 2021. Of course, this is a mid-range smartphone, so it has a 4,500 mAh battery, 36 hours of talk time. Battery is not removable. You guys have 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. With the micro SD card set up to 1 terabyte, so take advantage of that. It's a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. I don't know the processor. It's an quad-core processor though. Android 11 on board, like I said, with One UI. 4 cameras on the rear, 64 megapixels, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro lens, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor, and then you guys have a 32 megapixel front-facing camera, display 6.7 inches, Full HD plus Super AMOLED plus display that's 1080 by 2400, dimensions 6.41 inches height, 2.98 inches width, and 0.33 inches depth. The Galaxy A71 5G weighs 6.66 ounces, pretty interesting number. Your connectivity options include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C. You guys also have NFC compatible as well, so you guys can use Google Pay, Samsung Pay, stuff like that, and you guys get fast charging on this phone as well. What's included in the box is your Samsung Galaxy A71 5G smartphone, travel adapter, ejection pin, quick start guide, and your data cable, so pretty good there. So if you guys need help with your Galaxy A71, learn how to set up your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, email, whatever, the device support is a great tool to check out. So it says here, want to know everything there is to know about this phone. Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all of your games and applications. So yeah, there you guys have it. Boost Mobile now has the Galaxy A71 5G. This one came out last year for everyone else, but Boost Mobile is finally getting this phone. I don't know why it took Boost Mobile this long to get the Galaxy A71 5G, but it is finally here. They did have the A71. I don't think they got the 4G version for this phone, but they got the 5G version here. Never mind. I think the Galaxy A71 is only the 5G, and that's it. They did have an A51 on Boost Mobile, but that was 4G only. This one is a Galaxy A71, and this one's 5G. So yeah, if you guys have been wanting a Galaxy A71 with 5G, Boost Mobile now finally has it. It's currently on sale right now for $249.99. The full retail price $429.99, which is okay, I guess, in 2021 right now. Like I said, this one's been out for every year and a half, and so the specs on that is still pretty good. Like, it's a great phone, great specs and everything else. So yeah, if you guys want a 5G phone for cheap. The Galaxy A71 could be the phone to check out here. It's a very nice looking phone, great specs and stuff like that. So check it out if you guys are interested. So with that being said, that's pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.